হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ড, ওয়েলকাম মাই চ্যানেল। স্বাগতম আমার চ্যানেল। আমি রবীন মুখার্জি, সিভিল ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং পাস আউট 1986, work experience above 30 years. Daily I discuss civil engineering execution activities, project and plant related. Today I discuss budget 2026 manufacturing guide, easy step to access funds. Now I discuss budget 2026 manufacturing guide, easy steps to access funds. The Union Budget 2026-27 has shifted the manufacturing narrative from survival to scaling for a civil engineering professional or a business owner. In this space, the focus is now on strategic and frontier sectors, semiconductors, EVs, and biopharma and MSME empowerment. In this page, the focus is now on strategic and frontier sectors, semiconductors, EVs, and biopharma and MSME empowerment. Here is your guide to navigating the new funds and incentives. Number 1, key manufacturing outlets 2026-27. The government has doubled down on specific high growth areas. If your project falls into these categories, funding is more accessible. Electronics and semiconductors, ISM 2.0. The outlay for the electronics components manufacturing scheme has been increased to 40,000 crore. Automotive and EVs, the PLI allocation for auto components has tripled to 5,940 crore, specifically to boost local battery and advanced chemistry cell ACC production. Infrastructure equipment, a new construction and infrastructure equipment CIE scheme has launched to support domestic manufacturing of high value machinery. Biopharma Shakti, a new 10,000 crore mission to make India a hub for biologics. Biopharma Shakti, a new 10,000 crore mission to make India a hub for biologics. Number 2, assessing MSME and small business funds. Accessing MSME and small business funds. If you are operating a smaller manufacturing unit, the budget 2026 introduced a three-pronged support system. If you are operating a smaller manufacturing unit, the budget 2026 introduced a three-pronged support system. Step 1, equity support for scaling. SME Growth Fund. A new 10,000 crore fund designed for future champions. This is equity based, meaning it helps you scale without the immediate burden of debate. SME Growth Fund, a new 10,000 crore fund designed for future champions. This is equity based, meaning it helps you scale without the immediate burden of debate. Self Reliant India SRI Fund. Self Reliant India Fund SRI topped up top up with 2000 crore specifically for micro enterprises. Self Reliant India SRI Fund top up with 2000 crore specifically for micro enterprises. Step 2, liquidity support for cash flow. Liquidity support for cash flow. Trades mandate. Trades mandate. It is now mandatory for all central public sector enterprises, CPSEs, SES, to use the trades platform for MSME purchases. This ensures your invoice are discounted and paid in days, not months. CGTMSE top up. Credit guarantees are now provided for invoice discounting on trades, making it cheaper for you to get advances. Step 3, professional support. Comparative metros. Corporate metros. The government is establishing corporate metros in Tier 2 and Tier 3 towns. These are professional consultants who help you meet compliance requirements at affordable cost. Corporate metros. The government is establishing corporate metros in Tier 2 and Tier 3 towns. These are professional consultants who help you meet compliance requirements at affordable cost. Number 3, how to apply a 4-step action plan. Number 3, how to apply a 4-step action plan. Step, action, platform, authority. Step, action, platform, operate, authority. Step, identify your category. Action, check if you fall under PLI 2.0, large scale, or MSME champion, small scale. Check if you fall under PLI 2.0, large scale, or MSME champion, small scale. Step, get certified. Action, apply for the Z, zero defect, zero effect certification. Certified units get priority for many subsidies. Apply for the Z, zero defect, zero effect certification. Certified units get priority for many subsidies. Step 3. Register on trade. 3. Register on trade. Action. If you supply to the government or big corporates, register here to unlock your stock payments. If you supply to the government or big operates, big corporates, if you supply to the government or big corporates, register here to unlock your stock payment. Step 4. Use custom benefits. Use custom benefits. Action. Checks for customs duty exemption on capital goods, machinery for your specific sector, e.g. that means shoe uppers, aircraft parts. Check for customs duty exemption on capital goods, machinery for your specific sector, e.g. that means shoe uppers, aircraft parts. Number 4. Special infrastructure incentives. Special infrastructure incentives for those in the construction and civil engineering domain. Plug and play industrial parks. The budget proposes 5 new integrated textile parks and plug and play chemical parks. Setting up here reduces your initial capex significantly. Plug and play industrial park. The budget proposes 5 new integrated textile parks and plug and play chemical parks. Setting up here reduces your initial capex significantly. Legacy cluster revival. Legacy cluster revival. 200 legacy industrial clusters are being revived with infrastructure and technology upgrades. 200 legacy industrial clusters are being revived with infrastructure and technology upgrades. Pro tip. If you are importing specialized manufacturing machinery, look into the deferred duty payment window. This allows trusted manufacturers to pay customs duty later, improving your initial working capital. Pro tip. If you are importing specialized manufacturing machinery, look into the deferred duty payment window. This allows trusted manufacturers to pay customs duty later, improving your initial working capital. Would you like me to find the specific eligibility criteria for the new 10,000 crore SME growth fund or the CIE scheme for construction equipment? Just tell you. Would you like me to find the specific eligibility criteria for the new 10,000 crore SME growth fund and growth fund or the CIE scheme for construction equipment? Just tell you. Now I end my video. All are requested. If you are like my video, please subscribe my channel. সবাইকে একটা রিকোয়েস্ট করবো, ভিডিওগুলো স্কিপ করবেন না, স্ক্রল করবেন না, পুরো ভিডিও দেখবেন, দেখলে অনেক কিছু জানতে পারবেন, শিখতে পারবেন। বেশি বেশি করে শেয়ার করবেন যাতে বেশি সংখ্যক ভিউয়ার ভিডিও থেকে উপকৃত হয়। চ্যানেলটিকে ভালোবাসা দেবেন, ভিডিওগুলোকে লাইক করবেন, হাইপ করবেন এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। নোটিফিকেশন বেলটিকে অন করে রাখবেন, আমি ভিডিও ছাড়ার সাথে সাথে আপনার কাছে নোটিফিকেশন পৌঁছে যাবে। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ, বাই।